Hi everyone, this is Ms. Farwa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a program using elephant and a forest backdrop. So let's quickly delete this sprite. Go to choose a sprite button at the bottom. In the search bar, write down elephant, or there is another way to go to elephant. You can go to this animals and then you can scroll down a little. There you will see elephant here. We can click the elephant will be in the stage now. Then go to the next button, that is choose a backdrop, and then search for the forest backdrop, or you can use the search bar to write down forest here. So here is the forest backdrop. I will click it and then it will be here. Now the next thing is you are going to write a script for your elephant. Let's see what the elephant does. So in this program, basically the elephant is going to say hello for 1 second, and then it will say, today we are going to learn about Scratch. So it's an introductory program. So first of all, in order to run the program, we always need this green flag. So let's quickly do that. In the events, go to when green flag clicked block and drag it into your script area. This is the block that will help your program run when you press this green flag. Okay, next you have to go to motions. In the motion, you have the move command, and then we are dragging it and connecting it to the when green flag clicked block. Then instead of writing 10, make it 8080, so it will be a big step. If I run this, you can see that how the elephant moves forward. So this is how the 80 step command works. Now next you have to go to control and then use wait 1 second command. It will help your program to wait for 1 second when you are doing something. And then you have to go to the looks. In the looks you have switch costume. Let's quickly see the costumes for elephant sprite. You go to costume, there is elephant A costume and there is elephant B costume. So what I will be doing, first I will be changing the costume to elephant B so that it will look like this. When the elephant will look like this, it will say something. So let's go back to the code, changing switch costume to elephant B, then use your say hello command, and it is say hello for, let's make it 1 second, and then switch the costume back to elephant A. So we can use the same command again, switch costume to, and from here in the menu we can use elephant A. So this is how the elephant will say hello. First the costume will be changed, then it will say elephant, it will say hello, and then the costume will return back to elephant A. So let's run this program. Great. So it works like this. Now the elephant will move back. So we go to the motion block and we use this move 10 step and put it down. Instead of 10, make it -80 so that the elephant will step back. Now you have to use the wait command again. So let's go to control, use wait 1 second command, and then let's make it a little smaller. Okay, now when it is going back, it is doing the same thing. Go to looks, switch costume to elephant B, then it will say, let's put the say command, and instead of saying hello, now it is saying today we are going to learn Scratch or learn about Scratch. So that's it. This will be set for 2 seconds. Now after that, once the elephant will say this, it will switch costume to elephant A. So let's use the switch costume command again. Go to the menu and change it to elephant A. So this is all about the program. Let's see what is the result of the program. So here we go. Run. Hello. Going back. Saying today we are going to learn about Scratch. So this is all about today's program. I hope you understand it very well. It's about switching the costumes and letting the elephant say something and moving forward and moving backward. So thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun videos on Scratch. Bye bye.